Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. Yes, the fourth and last puzzle is a tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In the puzzle page of Saturday, it's Saturday, November the 4th, 2023. Already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, and the binary puzzle. And it's time now for the Tectonic with, I do not know how many stars, but I think it's a 1-star puzzle. And in the evening, I will do the Samurai Sudoku. And, no. Tomorrow evening, I will do the Samurai Sudoku. Tomorrow afternoon, the rest of the puzzles in this puzzle page, and also the rest of the puzzles in the additional of Friday, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional with extra puzzles. All right, the Tectonic number 7392. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. So I think it's a 1-star. For 1-star puzzle should be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have dual boxes? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes I see here. The next question, quadra boxes. We have here a quadra box, there a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. These 3 boxes surround the 4, can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. Alright, my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the Z or the S construction. If you rotate this, you will get the S. Let me draw the S here. When you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape, do we have more? No. Then the following shape, the T shape, upside down. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. Okay, so that box has the same number as this box. Alright, only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember, the L shape mirrored this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? No, only one L shape. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, only 3. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. these two boxes. So round of 4 can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So one box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. These two boxes can be a 2. So one box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. Two numbers left for the numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. Okay. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 supposed to be here, and the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 1 or a 3. Okay. Okay, let me zoom this, because, well. Okay, we have more. It's bigger, yeah. The view is bigger. These three boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so one box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 2 because we have double 2 there. If we place a 2 here or here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 in this L-shaped area could be here, could be there. Well, these two boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So one box left for the 4 in this area should be here. Then these two boxes can be 2, so one box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there and a 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. These three boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so one box left for the 1 in this cross area should be here. These two boxes can be a 4, so one box left for the 4 in this cross area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this cross area, so for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 3 goes there. These three boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so one box left for the 2 in this area should be here. Then this box can be a 5. This box can be a 4. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. These two boxes can be 1. Those two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box can be a... Wait, yeah. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4 is connected with that box, so 2 and the 4. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. Let me see. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 and the 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then, let me see. Well, these two boxes can be a 5, But also that box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. The only place left for the 5 in this L-shaped area should be here. These two boxes can be 5, so one box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area from this 1 and the 5. 1 and 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then, let me see. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 5. So one box left for the 5 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. So one box left in this area for number 2 is connected with that box, should be also 2. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. Let me mark those, 1 and 3. Here 1 and the 5, okay. These two boxes can be 2. Those two boxes can be 2. So one box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. Let me mark those. 1 and the 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot place... now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can't be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. These two boxes can be 3, so one box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. One box left in this area for number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finished in 12 minutes. Wow. Told you, need to be faster than 15 minutes. Maybe it's not a 0 star, but a 0. Maybe it's not a 1 star, but it's 0 stars. Puzzles. 0 stars puzzle, okay, because I'm faster than 14, I'm faster than 30 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one here, so we'll do things. So, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow afternoon, Sunday. I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the puzzle page, and also the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. Until then, bye bye for now.